My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine. We are going to write your unit test 2 examination. Okay. And see here, your exam question for the subject maths is chapter 2 fractions and chapter 6 algebraic expression. You have to thorough these two chapters very well. Okay. First we are going to revise the chapter fraction. Before that, let us see the question pattern. See here, totally you are going to write your exam for 25 marks. Choose 3 marks, fill up 3 marks, 2 marks. That is, you have to answer 2 marks. So 2 into 2, 4 marks, and 3 marks will come 5. So 5 into 3, 15. So totally 25 marks you are going to write for unit test 2. Okay. And what are the instructions to be followed to write in the examination for? You must use blue ink pen to write your answers and use unruled paper, that is white paper, and use pencil for the rough work. Draw the margin neatly and don't cut the steps while doing the sums. Okay, don't cut the steps, do the sum elaborately. Okay, write neatly, avoid overwriting and give your best in the examination. Okay, first we are going to revise the chapter fraction. What is meant by fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, a fraction contains numerator and denominator. You already know proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like that. What is meant by proper fraction? If numerator is less than the denominator, it is said to be proper. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that is 5 by 2. Numerator is bigger than the denominator, so it is improper fraction. And what is a mixed fraction? A whole number along with a proper fraction is said to be mixed fraction. Okay, these are the things you know already. Okay. In this chapter, what are the concepts we have so far discussed? We have discussed addition and subtraction of fractions as well as multiplication and division of fraction. Also, we have seen how to simplify the fractions involved in the 4 operations. For that, you have applied the board muscle. Okay, these are the concepts we have already discussed in the chapter fractions. First, we are going to discuss addition and subtraction of fraction. An important condition for addition and subtraction of fractions is how can you add two fractions? If it is like fraction, means you can add or subtract. What is meant by like fraction? They contains same denominator. So fractions having the same denominator must be added or subtracted. So if the given question not having the same denominator means you have to bring the denominator into same by taking the LCM of the given denominators. Okay. So the condition for addition and subtraction of fraction is the denominator should be same. That is, the given fraction should be like fractions. Otherwise, we have to bring the fraction to be like. Okay. Let us do one sum. See here. 3 1 by 4 minus 5 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. In the given question, the 3 fractions are in mixed fractions. So, to evaluate the sum, first step you have to convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, after that you have to evaluate the sum. See here, in this method, sorry children, in this method in your 7th standard, we are doing like this only. That is, we are separating the whole part and fraction part separately. Okay, see here. First, you have to write the question in the solution part first, and then you have to insert the symbol plus between the whole part and the fraction part. See here, children. 3 1 by 4 means this is whole part. Whole part is 3 and fraction part is 1 by 4. So, between the whole part and fraction part, you have to insert the symbol plus for all the fraction. Don't forget this. You have to insert the symbol plus. So, 3 plus 1 by 4, 5 plus 1 by 6, 3 plus 1 by 6. Thus, we have inserted the symbol plus between the whole and fraction part of the given mixed fraction. Next step, see here children, you have to write the symbol as it is in the question. Here we have the minus, here we have the plus. Okay. In order to add these 3 fractions, first step is you have to collect the whole parts. What are the whole parts? 3, 5, 3. In order to collect the whole parts, you have to collect the whole numbers along with their signs. See here, first number is 3. Before 3 we have no symbol, so you have to understand it is plus 3. So write the 3 simple as it is 3. See here, while you are writing the second whole part of the second fraction, Before the second fraction, you have the symbol minus. So, while you are writing the 5, you have to insert the symbol minus along with 5. Okay, definitely you have to write minus along with 5. So, 3 minus 5. Okay, see here, what is the third fraction? 3 plus 1 by 3. And what is the whole part? 3. While you are correcting the 3, you have to insert the symbol in front of the bracket. In front of the bracket, we have plus. So, plus 3. We understand, children? See here, in the first step, we are inserting the plus between the whole part and the fraction part. This is the first step. And next step, you have to correct the whole parts. What are the whole part? 3, 5, 3. While you are correcting the whole parts, you have to include the symbol in front of that fraction. In front of this fraction, what is the symbol? You have minus. In front of this fraction, what is the symbol? You have plus. Thus, we are writing 3 minus 5 plus 3. Thus, we have corrected the whole part. And next, you have to listen, children, listen carefully. Many of you have committed this mistake. Definitely, here you have to put the symbol plus only for any sum. Okay. So, here you have to put the plus. Now, you have to connect the fraction part. Okay. How we are connecting? As in the same procedure while you are connecting the whole part, you have to connect the fractions along with the symbol. See here. Before 1 by 4, for all the fractions we have plus only. So write 1 by 4. See here, in front of the second fraction you have minus. So while you are writing 1 by 6, definitely you have to write here minus. We understand, children? Minus 1 by 6. See here, in front of the third fraction we have plus. So write it as plus 1 by 3. I hope you understand. See here, once again I am repeating. Here we have the fraction for 1 by 4. Write 1 by 4. Here we have 1 by 6. While you are writing 1 by 6, in front of the fraction we have the symbol minus. So here you have to include the symbol minus. Do you understand? See here, what is the fraction part? 1 by 3. While you are writing 1 by 3, you have to write plus because in front of this fraction we have the symbol plus. Thus we have separately corrected the whole parts as well as the fraction part. In between the whole part and fraction parts, definitely you have to put the symbol plus plus. Keep this in your mind. Okay. Okay. Next we are going to evaluate these two brackets. That is whole part and the fraction part we are going to evaluate now. 3 plus 3. What is your answer? 6. So 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. What is your answer? 1. Now see here, children. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. We have to evaluate this fraction, but they are unlike fractions. What is mean by unlike fractions? The denominators are different. So, in order to add or subtract the fractions, the denominator should be same. Here we have the different denominators. So, in order to bring it as a same, we have to take LCM for this denominator. So, what are the denominators? 4, 6, 3. So, 4, 6, 3. You have to use only the prime numbers. So, 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Write 3 as it is. Okay. Next I am using 2, 1, 3, 3. Next I am using 3, 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So our LCM is 12. Do you understand, children? Now we have found out the LCM 12. Now we are going to change this denominator as 12 because our LCM is 12. Okay. Think, children, what should be multiplied with 4 to bring 12? Yes, 3. The 3 should be multiplied to both numerator as well as the denominator. How we are deciding here 3? Because our LCM is 12. What should be multiplied with 4? You get the answer 12. 3. That's why we are using 3 here. Okay. Similarly, what should be multiplied with 6 to get 12? 2. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Similarly, what should be multiplied with 3 to get 12? 4. So you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. I hope you understand. Okay. Thus we have multiplied both the numerator and denominator with the same number. We have to decide this number according to the LCM and the denominator of the particular fraction. Okay. Next step you have to multiply that. 1 into 3, 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 into 2, 2. 6 2s are 12. 1 into 4, 4. 4 3s are 12. Thus we have converted. See here, observe the denominator, all are same. If the denominator are same means we can add or subtract. Thus we have arrived the same denominator. Okay, now we can add or subtract subtract the fraction. For that, you have to write the 12 one time. Now we are going to collect the numerator. The same procedure you have to follow everywhere. That is, while you are collecting the terms, you have to include the signs. See here, 3. While you are writing 2, you have to include the symbol minus. So 3 minus 2. While you are writing 4, you have to include the symbol plus. So 3 minus 2 plus 4. We understand? See here, we already know here we have 1 plus 3 minus 2. What is your answer? 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Thus we have 1 plus 5 by 12. So we can easily write 1 plus 5 by 12 as 1 5 by 12. See here we have 3 1 by 4. Here we have inserted the symbol plus between 3 and 1 by 4. So 3 1 by 4 can be written as 3 plus 1 by 4. Here we have 1 plus 5 1 by 12. Now we are removing this plus and write it as 1 5 by 12. Okay, I hope you understand how to add or subtract the fractions. Okay, the only one condition is the denominator should be same. Okay. Next we are going to see how to multiply the given fractions. See here we have 15 by 16 into 4 by 21. How can we multiply the two fractions? We can multiply the two fractions by producting the numerator. We have to product the numerator as well as the denominator. See here, what are the numerator? 15 and 14. So you have to multiply 15 into 14. Similarly, what are the denominators? 16 and 21. So you have to multiply the 16 and 21. The 16 into 21. Before multiplying these two values, you have to check whether there is possible for cancellation. See here we have 15, here we have 21. You have to strike out numerator and denominator by using the common table. Don't cancel numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. You have to cancel numerator and denominator only by using the common table, that is common number. See here I have 15, here I have 21. I am using 3 table to cancelling 15 and 21. So how many times 15 come in 3 table? 5 times. So you have to cancel 15 and write it as 5. Similarly, 21 comes in 3 table 7 times. Okay, next I am checking. Next I am writing 5 into 4, 16 into 4. In this step also you can cancel 4 and 16. But I am doing the next step. Okay, see here. Here I am having 4, here I am having 16. I can use 2 table to cancel 4 and 16. I can also use 4 table to cancel 4 and 16. Now I am using 4 table. So 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. Do you understand, children? So what are the remaining numbers? 5 into 1, 4 into 7. So now multiply 1 5 is 5. 7 4s are 28. See this, what type of fraction is this? Proper fraction. Whether you get your answer as a proper fraction means you have to stop up to this. Suppose you get the answer like this, 28 by 5 means it is improper fraction. So in that case, definitely you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. See here, definitely you have to know this concept because while you are dividing the two fractions, you must know the concept of reciprocal. See here, children, you know this story very well, but once again I am repeating. See here, reciprocal of 17. How can you write the reciprocal of 17? If a number written like this means you have to understood the denominator is 1. How can you write the reciprocal of a given number? By interchanging the numerator and the denominator. You have to understood if a number written like this means it has the denominator 1. So the reciprocal of 17 is 1 by 17. Do you understand? What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 by 1. In the denominator it has 1 means you can leave it and write simply 2. So reciprocal of 17 is 1 by 17. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Do you understand? What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? Yes, 5 by 3. And what is the reciprocal of 17 by 2? Yes, 2 by 17. Listen, children, this is a proper fraction. Its reciprocal is an improper fraction. Listen here, this is an improper fraction. Its reciprocal is a proper fraction. Okay, keep this in your mind. Next we are going to see the concept divide. Already we have seen addition and subtraction and also the multiplication. Next we are going to see an important concept, division of fraction. How can we divide the given two fractions? Let us see one example. 3 by 4 divided by 9 by 8. See here, children, the first fraction 3 1 by 4. This is a divider and 9 by 8 is a divisor. See here, the normal, like in the normal division, we write n as a dividend and 2 as a divisor. Similarly, here we have 3 by 4. It is a dividend, it is a divisor. Otherwise, you can call it as a first fraction and the second fraction. Okay. In order to divide these two fractions, you have to change this divide symbol into multiple symbol. The condition for to change this divide symbol into multiplication symbol means you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. See here children, now I have changed this divide symbol into multiple symbol by taking the reciprocal of this second fraction. Okay, don't take reciprocal of the first fraction. It is a divided, so keep as it is. Now I have changed this divide symbol into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 8 by 9. Reciprocal of 9 by 8 is 8 by 9. Now we have changed the divide sum into multiplication sum. Now only we have seen how to multiply the given two fractions by producting their numerator and their denominator. See, 3 into 8 whole divided by 4 into 9. Before multiplication you have to check the possibility for cancellation. See here 3, here 9. So 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9 using 3 table. Here 4, here 8. So using 4 table, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 3. It is a proper fraction. So you have to stop up to this. I hope you will understand how to add and subtract the fractions and also how to multiply and divide the fractions. Okay. Next we are going to see Bodmas rule. Why we have to recall this Bodmas rule? Suppose if the given fraction, given expression, that is given question containing mixed operations with fraction means you have to follow the Bodmas rule to simplify that expression. Okay. What is the Bodmas rule? B for brackets, O for half, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. You have already known this Bodmas rule very familiarly. Okay. And also once again I am recalling the types of bracket: vinculum, simple, curly, and square bracket. First we have to evaluate vinculum, and then simple, and then curly, and then square bracket. Practice all the sums in your class or come to homework board very well. Okay. Next we are going to see the next chapter, that is algebraic expression. Okay. What is mean by algebraic expression? It is made up of variables, constant and operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See here children, here I have given one example: 5xy square plus 2x cube plus 3. We have discussed many concepts in the chapter algebraic expression. Let us recall the concept one by one. Okay. First we are going to recall the concept coefficient. For the term 5xy square, we are going to write the coefficient. Okay, see the first one. Coefficient of xy square is, see here children, while you are writing the coefficient of xy square means you have to hide the term xy square. What are the remaining numbers? 5. So your answer is 5. Do you understand children? See the next one. Coefficient of y square means you have to hide the term y square. What are the remaining numbers? 5 and x. 5 is a constant, x is a variable. Do you understand? Coefficient of 5x means you have to hide 5 and x. What are the remaining terms? Y square. So y square. Thus coefficient of xy square is 5. Coefficient of y square is 5x. Coefficient of 5x is y square. Suppose if the given term contain minus means while you are writing the coefficient you must include the symbol minus for every term. Do you understand children? Suppose in the question if the term containing the symbol minus means you must include the minus in the answer part. Suppose in the question if they are including the minus means here you have to exclude the symbol minus. I hope you understand. Okay. Next we are going to see types of algebraic expression based on the number of terms. Based on the number of terms, we are classifying the algebraic expression into monomial, binomial and trinomials. Monomial means it has only one term. Binomial means it has only two terms. Trinomial means it contains only three terms. See here, x cube, x plus y plus z. These are the example. See here children. 2x plus 3x plus 5 plus 4. Okay, can you guess what type of algebraic expression is this? By seeing this, don't say it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, see here these two are like terms, so you have to add them. So 2x plus 3x, your answer is 5x, and 5 plus 4 are constant, so you have to add it. So 9. So it has two terms, so it is a binomial. It's clear children? Next we are going to see polynomial. What is meant by polynomial? An algebraic expression with one or more terms such that the variables involved in that algebraic expression has whole number as its exponents. Such expression is said to be polynomial. For example, see here children, 3x square plus 2x plus 1. What they are saying about polynomial is, you have to take one algebraic expression which should contain one or more terms such that you have to observe the variables. You have to check the power of the variables. See here, what is the variable x and what is the power of x here? 2. We can also call the power as exponents. Okay, what is the power of x here? 1. The power should be whole numbers. If the powers of an algebraic expression are whole number, means we can say that algebraic expression as a polynomial. Okay, suppose if an algebraic expression have like these terms, 3x power minus 1 means it is not a polynomial because the power of the x is minus 1, not a whole number. Suppose if a term contain t power 1 by 2, that is power as 1 by 2, it is a fraction, it is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. So you must find the difference between a polynomial and not a polynomial. It is an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. Polynomial means power of the variables must be whole number. What are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Do you understand children? Okay. See here, next we are going to discuss degree of a term. How can we calculate the degree of a given term? See here, let us take one example. 7x y square z. Now we are going to calculate the degree of this term. So to calculate the degree of the given term, you must add the power of all the variables. See here, how many variables we are having? X, y and z. What is the power of x? 1. What is the power of y? 2. What is the power of z? 1. To find the degree of this term, you have to add these three values. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So degree of this term is 4. Do you understand children? Okay. Next we are going to see one example. Find the degree of the polynomial. We are going to find the degree of the polynomial. To find the degree of the polynomial, you must find the degree of the each term of the polynomial. After that, you have to choose the highest degree as the degree of this polynomial. Okay, see here. What is the first term? 3ab c cube xy. Okay. To calculate the degree of this term, you must add the powers of the variables. So power of the a is 1, power of the b is 1, power of c is 3, power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So degree of the first term is 7. And what is the degree of the next term? Power of the a is 1, power of the b is 2, power of the x is 1, power of the y is 2. Add the values 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So degree of the next term is 6. What is the degree of the next term? A power 2 b cube. You have to add 2 with 3, 5. So among the three values 7, 6, 5, which is the higher value? 7. So degree of the given polynomial is 7. Okay, do you understand children? Okay. Next we are going to see types of polynomial. Okay, how we classify the polynomial? Based on the degree, we are classifying the polynomial. Already we have seen monomial, binomial, trinomial. It is for the classification of algebraic expression. This is classification of polynomial. So find the difference children. Types of polynomial based on degrees. Okay. See first one, constant polynomial. What is meant by constant polynomial? Suppose if your polynomial have a degree 0 means we call it as a constant polynomial. For example, see here 7. If any number is given means we may call it as a constant polynomial because it has the variable of degree 0 because any number or anything power 0 is 1. So 7 can be written as 7 power 2x power 0. So degree of this term is 0. So this is called as a constant polynomial because x power 0 its value is equal to 1. So the given number does not change while you are adding x power 0 along with this 7. Do you understand children? Degree of this polynomial is 0. So we can call it as a constant polynomial. See the next one, linear polynomial. What is meant by linear polynomial? If your polynomial has the degree 1, see here 5x plus 2, its degree of the x is 1, so we can call it as a linear polynomial. Okay. See the next one, quadratic polynomial. What is meant by quadratic polynomial? If a polynomial of degree 2 means we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. See here x power 2, so it has the power 2, so we can call it as a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means a polynomial of the degree of 3 means we can call it as a cubic polynomial. See the last one, important, biquadratic polynomial. Quadratic means 2, bi means also 2, so 2 plus 2, 4. So biquadratic polynomial means a polynomial which has the degree 4. See here t power 4 plus 9. This is here, but this is an example for biquadratic polynomial. Okay. These are the important concepts you have to keep in your mind regarding types of polynomials. Okay. Next we are going to see how to find a value of the given algebraic expression. Okay. See here children. Find the value of following for x equal to 3. Here you have to substitute. What is mean by substitute? Suppose if they are playing some game, means suppose Pogo is you are playing, means someone getting wound, means instead of that person, some other person will come and play. We can call it as a substitute. Like that, in our sum, we are going to substitute the values for the given in the question. See here, in the question they given x equal to 3. So, wherever the variable x come, instead of x, you have to substitute the value 3. Do you understand children? In the question, if you have the variable x means, instead of x, you have to substitute the given value. The given value is 3. Now we are going to substitute the given value in the question. See here, they are asking find the value of the following expression. First expression is 2x. They given the value of x as 3. So instead of x, you have to substitute the value 3. Do you understand? So 2, here the operation between 2 and x is multiplication. So 2 into 3. So what is your answer? X. So at x equal to 3, the 2x use the value 6. Do you understand? See the next one, x cube. X cube means you have to multiply the x 3 times. But here in the question they give x equal to 3. So instead of x, you have to substitute the value 3. So substitute the value 3 in the expression. So 3 cube, that is 3 power 3. Further you have to multiply the 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. So your answer is 27. Do you understand? See the next one, 3x by 12. So instead of x, you have to substitute the value 3. So 3 into 3 by 12. Cancel the 3 by 12. 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. So 1 into 3, 3 and by 4. So our answer is 3 by 4. Do you understand children? See the last one, 4x minus 3. Instead of x, you have to substitute the value 3. Suppose in the question, if they give x equal to 2 means, instead of x, you have to substitute the value 2. Suppose in the question, if they are giving x equal to minus 1 means, you have to substitute the value minus 1 instead of x. Suppose in the question, they are giving the expression in terms of y and they give the values for y means, you have to use the value for instead of x. That is y. Okay. See here, 4x minus 1. Instead of x, you are substituting the value 3. So 4 into 3 minus 1. 4 3s are 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1, what is your answer? 11. Do you understand children? See the next one. How to add the algebraic expression, how to subtract the algebraic expression. As I said in the fraction, the important condition for the addition and subtraction of fraction is they should be a like fractions. Similarly, the condition for addition and subtraction of algebraic expression is they should be like terms. Like term means the variables involved in the term should have the same power and same algebraic factor. See here children. See here 3x plus 7 and x minus 4y plus 9. We have to add these two expressions. See here. First we have to write the first expression and put plus and write the second expression. Now we are going to remove the bracket. So 3x plus 7 plus x minus 4y plus 9. Now we have removed the bracket. After that we have to correct the like terms. Okay. Okay, what are the like terms here? 3x, x. So correct the like terms. 3x plus x. I'll put the bracket. And what is the next variable here? Minus 4y. There is no other term containing the variable y. So write as it is. Next, what is the number here? 7. So collect the constants together. 7 plus 9. Thus we have collected grouped the like terms. Next we are going to add the like terms. How can we add the like terms? By adding their coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here children? 1. So 3 plus 1. Beside the bracket you have write the variable x minus 4y right as it is. 7 plus 9 16. So 3 plus 1 what is your answer? 4x minus 4y plus 16. So this is your answer. Thus we have added the given two expression. Next we are going to see the subtract. As I said in the addition, here also you have to subtract only the like term. See the first one. Subtract 8b square from 7b square. You listen carefully children. What is the first term? Here you have to write is the term which comes after the word from. Here after the word come, which term is coming? 7b square. So first you have to write 7b square minus y. Because here we are giving subtract. So 7b square minus 8b square. How can we subtract the two terms? They are like terms. So we can easily subtract by subtracting their coefficients. What are the coefficients? 7 minus 8. Beside the brackets you have to write the variables b square. 7 minus 8. What is your answer? Minus 1 as per the rule 2. Minus 1 b square. Now we can leave the 1 and write it as minus b square. Do you understand children? Next we are going to see the second sum. See here. You have to subtract 19x cube from 20x cube. First term here you have to write is the term comes after the word from. After the word from we have the which term? 20x cube. So first you have to write 20x cube. And then here you have to put the symbol minus and write the first term 19x cube. How can you subtract the two like terms? By subtracting their coefficients. What are the coefficients? 20 minus 19. That is by subtracting their numerical coefficients. Okay. What are the numerical coefficients? Numerical coefficient means numbers. Okay. What are the numbers? 20 and 19. So 20 minus 19 we are collecting the near bracket and beside the bracket you are writing that variable. So 20 minus 19 what is your answer? 1 x cube. Leave the 1 and write it as x cube. Thus we have subtracted the given values. Okay. Practice all the sums children until you thorough. Write the exam very well, neatly, give your best. Okay. All the best children.